तो अब वो जो चोटें लगी है ना उससे सीख गए।
2 seasons ago, his strike rate was really down.
He reads what the bowler's going to do.
गेंदबाज को आड़े हाथों लेना है वो भली बात ही जानते हैं अब।
He never had to, try and whack the ball unnecessarily.
शिखर धवन ने कमाल की आज बल्लेबाजी करी है और रन बनाने का जो एक आइडिया जो आप कहते हैं ना वो आपके सामने है। बिल्कुल आउट हो गए, अपने आप से नाखुश होना चाहिए उन्हें कि आज मौका था एक बार शतक बनाने का। फिर पिछले कुछ अगर एक दो आईपीएल में आप देखें तो बहुत बार जब जरूरत नहीं भी थी, मैच निकल गया था, तब भी गब्बर 90 के जो है ना पड़ाव के आसपास आउट हुए हैं। पर कमाल की बल्लेबाजी करी, गैप बहुत अच्छे निकाले और किस गेंदबाज को आड़े हाथों लेना है वो भली बात ही जानते हैं आप।
He's a great player, isn't he? Because what he's so good at is he reads what the bowler's going to do. So he assessed Mohammad Shami around the wicket and he saw mid-on was up and he knew that Shami was going to bowl that slow ball, that cutter. So he danced down and just launched him into the stand. He was ahead of Mohammad Shami.
Yeah.
He was thinking ahead of the bowler, and that's what really great T20 players can do. They can think, what is the bowler going to bowl? And they get themselves in a position knowing that if they bowl that ball, they can whack it. And if it's not the ball that they expect, they've still got a way of getting out of trouble or maneuvering the ball into another space. Brilliant. I mean, look at that strike rate. That's the kind of strike rate you're after. 187 at the top of the order, pitch is pure. And he just deflected it, he hit it, he ran between the wickets hard. A brilliant player, great to watch.
He never had to, try and whack the ball unnecessarily. He always, every time they were in bit of pressure, he got a 4. It was so beautifully done. Just see the way he's accelerated. 62, 10.33. Then he goes at 9.25, then at 10.6. He's always got the run rate under control. The other thing he did, which I love, is, in addition to what Michael said about him, knowing which ball, so reading the bowler by seeing the field placement, is how well he manipulated the field. So he'd wait for the ball to come, then he'll hit it a bit squarer, then the field would go square, then he'd hit it out over mid-wicket, and you can see Rahul is going absolutely mad because he's hitting a ball, Rahul's adjusting the field, then he's hitting it to where the previous fielder was. And Brian Lara used to be famous for this. This is as good field manipulation. This is not a brute power, Andre Russell kind of, I'm hitting it so hard that it's going. This is like, dude, you're putting it there, okay, I'm going to put the ball. It's like a chess game out there.
शिखर धवन की बैटिंग में बड़ा क्लियर है, अगर उनको शॉर्ट बॉल मिलती रहती है तो उनका गेम चलता रहता है, रुकता नहीं। वो जब फंसते हैं तो वो रिस्क लेते जरूर है, लेकिन वो अगर आप उनको कट और फ्लिक खाते रहेंगे ना तो वो रिस्क कम लेते हैं। तो वो एक पड़ाव होता है, उससे निकल जाते हैं। तो फिर अब आशु ने जैसे कहा कि अब तो हंडे हुए खिलाड़ी है, अब ये असेंडेंसी में नहीं है ना करियर की, मतलब ये अब कोई यंग चिकन नहीं है पृथ्वी शॉ की तरह जो अभी आ रहे हैं 30 बढ़िया बना रहे हैं और फिर प्रो करके चले जा रहे हैं। इन्होंने बड़े धक्के खाए हैं, 2 साल से टीम के बाहर रहे हैं, ज्यादातर अंदर कम रहे हैं। तो अब वो जो चोटें लगी है ना उससे सीख गए कि स्टार्ट अच्छा मिलता है तो उसको पूरा फायदा उठाते हैं।
You've got to remember the time, was it two seasons ago, his strike rate was really down, and there was a big conversation about with Ricky Ponting saying, mate, that's just not good enough. You're an opener, we need you to go at 140. And since then, if you look at his IPL career, it's just outstanding. So if he's not seen as the best white ball batter in India, then, I know there's Rohit Sharma, I know there's Virat Kohli, but he's certainly up there with the likes of those names.